Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Here, I was wondering if the mic was on. To another episode here at the Copy Map. Today we have the so-called motivational speaker, hip hop preacher, Eric Thomas, or some people call him ET. So, well, I found some very strange things going on in this man's website. Maybe you will tell me, but how come you don't know him? How come you're not familiar with his work? Well, I didn't knew him, and I was kind of very confused by his funnel, and I had to literally discover where his subscription options were. So apparently, that the email has lots of value. I'm still waiting to receive it. He said, expect a delay of 5 to 10 minutes. Some time has passed since then, but we will keep waiting. And well, let me tell you the following. If you have to discover where the subscription for your website is and your email has value and you care for your list, something's gotta change. But first, let me give you a quick tour of this website that has lots of things going on, in my opinion, and I really don't know which is the next step I should take. The free books aren't free. I have to pay shipping. There is no instant downloadable anywhere I could find. But well, let's take a quick tour and then let's see how I discovered the subscription part, and let's see if we receive his email in the course of this video. So well, let's dive in. Well, here you have him kind of motivating the masses. Here it says Eric Thomas. He has a logo that is kind of person going on, yeah, yo, all coachy, and that is wonderful. It's kind of an empowering logo, which is great. Then here are the brands, but I don't know if these are brands that he hosted events where these brands were, or these brands invited him to talk to their teams. Every time you forget to place a title of what these brands are doing here, you're missing a huge opportunity, and in this case a very big one, because they are very big brands. For example, well, this one, UPS, it's very known, AT&T, P&G, well, New Balance, FedEx. He also works in coaching athletes like James LeBron. So, well, he's missing kind of a point here. Well, meet ET Dr. Eric Thomas. I am not a fan neither of cutting people by the half, but that is totally on you. It is a journey. I believe that there I received the email. Let's see what happened there. It is a journey, and here it says Eric's spiritual walk, tenacity, drive, drawing from his wall. Well, that he's cut again. I am not a huge fan of this, but maybe it is because it is very well adapted to mobile. Well, here it has programs, Breathe University, Drama in 2021 online training and coaching programs. I'm going to give you a quick tour and I will show you these are different things that you can make, lots of different things and courses and directions you can take. There is one more thing. There is one of the books. Here is another of the books and another one. And let's see, also a podcast, and then Green Gear Store, and then the podcast, and then School Days Foundation, and Apog Ministers, and most popular videos, and that's it. And here you can log in if you're a member. So where the heck do I subscribe? First, let me tell you two things quick. Here he has no transformation, as you will. I suspect that you already noticed that because you are a fan of the copy map and you know that there must be transformation. If instead of putting this so big, he put it this quote that is kind of his leitmotif, it would have been great because it's a good phrase, a motivational phrase, and that same phrase is here, and he's talking a lot about when you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, there you will have success. And his university is called Breathe University. That part is kind of all in place, so that part is very well done. But for example, here, coaching, breakthrough to the next level on your weekly mastermind calls with Dr. Eric Thomas and other members of the BU ISO Breathe University community. And here it says community connect with Legmans. So, for example, another members on this part is totally erasable. We could just leave it, take it away. Well, here you have lots of things to do. I don't know which step to take. I would just leave the website, but as we are doing a breakdown, I thought if I wanted to, I don't know, leave my email, where I would go. So I said contact. So I went here and take a very close look to this. Contact us, reach out to our team, or book, it's easy to speak. And I said, well, there's nothing from here. I will have to book this man in order to ask him, please let me subscribe to your list, or contact the team and say, oh, okay, maybe I can contact them because I want to be part of this special list. And now here are kind of all his brands. And look at this, follow ET on social. And I said, all right, I can follow him on his Instagram, on his Facebook, or on his Meta if you want, on YouTube, on Twitter, podcast. And I can follow him on my email. All right, I can follow him. So that maybe means that there is where I can subscribe. And yes, there is where you can subscribe to his email. My God, I think this is kind of a labyrinth. I don't believe that he intended this as a good thing. And get my 3 mixtapes for free. I don't know if he's a rapper or what he does, but I don't understand why a coach would send me. But well, he's kind of known for being the hip hop preacher, so maybe it makes a little bit of sense. But there could be a further explanation on what is going on here. So let's see the email and we'll wrap it up for today. I believe that the email never arrived. No. So another thing arrived, or maybe in the dreaded spam. My God, I did this earlier today to avoid waiting too much. My God, our good friend Robert keeps coming here. You're not spam, my friend. Abandon the spammy photo. I have lots of things unread. I'm going crazy. Promotions. Well, people, we are receiving it, so I will tell you if I receive it soon. Here's another detail. He has the ClickFunnels logo all along, and he has kind of a logo of his own. So this would be something I would definitely change. Let me check something. And look at this, coachingwithet.com. It's not his main website. /coach, not /subscribe. And if I go to, it was ET Inspire is his website. So it's another domain. It's kind of the wrong slug for that website, for that site, that page. And I wanted to see one more thing. If he had, oh, here he has it. See, so he has ClickFunnels for all the external links that are leading to different funnels, but I'm not being able to enter his funnel, at least not for now. So this weird logo of ClickFunnels there should be replaced for this one. He would have to try to maintain me at least in the same site and make the slug that is slash something be subscribed or join my list or something like that. And well, I think that the lessons here are focus always on your avatar. Tell me clearly what you want me to do, because here I don't know, maybe I am a teacher because there is a program specific for teachers, but maybe I also want to be a coach and want to be on stages. So there I wouldn't know which would be the next step, which program to take first. So if you give me clear actions, like for example the website of Bethany Hamilton, she has step one, step two, step three, step four. You know exactly what to do, and she has a subscription email, and she's very clear to where you have to subscribe. But in those steps, she doesn't mention that you have to subscribe as part of the step. She just is delivering, and that is very intelligent from her. I suggest you go and look at her video. She is telling you kind of, I don't remember specific, but it's as I would say, for example, explore, develop, kind of the transforming phases you will have with my service or with my product. Now enter here, go here, that is boring, and it's a kind of mind numbing. You have to tell me which will be my transformational journey when I join you, and how can start making progress now. So well, I hope that this was clear enough. I hope you have enjoyed as much as I enjoyed recording this for you. We'll see you tomorrow in the next Tech Copy Map.